Good evening to all of you. Myself Ashish Kumar speaking on the behalf of Trust IAS, and I'm happy to announce the launch of batch Public Administration, which is going to start from 5th of August 2021. The admissions have already been opened. You can visit the website and you can check the link and you can join the course in case you want to join the course. And I would request you to join the course at the right time. Don't delay and then join the course if you want to join the course. Now the purpose of the video is to discuss some features of the course which we are going to bring before you. मतलब हम आपको क्या सर्विसेज क्या फीचर्स देने वाले हैं इस कोर्स के अंदर. सबसे पहला और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो मुझे लगता है कि एक टीचर के लिए और एक स्टूडेंट के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, किसी भी कोर्स को करने के लिए जरूरी है, वो ये है दैट बिकॉज दिस इज एन ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट वेयर सम कॉन्सेप्ट्स विल बी वेरी, यू कैन से वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट यू हैव बीन स्टडिंग टिल नाउ. कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट हायर लेवल के भी हैं, कुछ अलग हैं जो आप आज तक पढ़ते आए हैं. सो आई ट्राई टू मेक द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड concepts as easy as possible. I'll try to ensure that whatever I teach you, you are able to understand that and you are able to remember that also till your examination. I'll try to make use of some simple languages, some simple examples that are more relevant for examination also and for your understanding also. Simple example, simple analogy देके चीज़ों को समझाया जा सकता है ताकि मुश्किल चीज़ भी आसान लगने लगे. सेकेंड पॉइंट है कि स्पीड ऑफ टीचिंग क्या होने वाली है. आई बिलीव इन टेकिंग द कोर्स एट अ मॉडरेट स्पीड, नॉट गोइंग टू फास्ट, नॉट गोइंग टू स्लो. सी व्हेन आई से नॉट गोइंग टू फास्ट, आई मीन आई शुड नॉट बी टीचिंग एट अ रेस, एट अ पेस वेयर यू डोंट गेट द पॉइंट क्लियर. मतलब पूरा कोर्स हो गया मगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, इतना तेज जा रहे हैं, वो भी नहीं होगा. एंड आई नॉट बी गोइंग वेरी स्लो ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट्स अ रियलिटी. इफ आई गो वेरी वेरी स्लो then completing this course can take us 3 years. So I try to take the course at a optimum moderate rate, or you can say at a moderate pace. After the pace, I would like to tell you that what way I will be giving the content. पहले बात, जब आप क्लास में आएंगे I will be explaining you the concept. मतलब there will be elaborate क्लास एक्सप्लेनेशन. कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट होगा उसको समझाया जाएगा एंड देन आफ्टर एक्सप्लेनेशन आई विल बी गिविंग यू इलेबोरेट क्लास नोट्स. Those class notes will not be very very synoptic, they will be elaborate which is required for your understanding and to meet the demand of the examination. So class explanation plus class notes would be given to you. Other than this, on some selective topics, on some selective areas, we will be providing you some notes in soft form. And why I am writing selectively? Because I don't believe in flooding the student with information. आपको 1 लाख पेजेस की इंफॉर्मेशन दे भी दी जाए तो आप पढ़ पाएंगे? नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे. So I will ensure that I'll give you only those notes which for your examination and your understanding are required along with the class notes. So this will be given in the soft form. Now public administration is such an area where some reports or the recommendation of various commissions and committees are required to substantiate your understanding in the examination, to substantiate what you're writing in the examination. आप जो भी लिख रहे हैं उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए कुछ डेटा, कुछ रिपोर्ट, कोई रिकमेंडेशन होनी चाहिए. वो रिपोर्ट, वो रिकमेंडेशन हम लोग आपको देंगे, ऑफ कोर्स सिलेक्टिवली मीन्स नॉट द फुल. अब फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई गिव यू द फुल सेकंड ARC, you will not be able to read the full second ARC. So we will be giving you a understanding of that particular report in a summarized way, in a synoptic way. And then these reports, these recommendations are static. Let's say second ARC has given the report in 2008. So this is done. उसके बाद after that regularly on day-to-day basis also we see number of changes which are coming in Indian polity. So that forms what is called as current affairs. Now for paper 2 in public administration, current affairs is very very important. जो आप लिखेंगे उसको example देने के लिए आपके पास current से कुछ information होनी चाहिए. That we will also be providing you at relevant gap. Then see, one thing which is, students are also very much asking about it and teachers also convey it, portray it as a USP. But let me tell you, that is what you call as test series. Now what we have planned is that rather than giving a test series, every week or every 10 days, because students actually initially they take the test series and they don't attempt the question after some time. ये एक reality है जिसे कोई मना नहीं कर सकता. Hardly 1% people actually complete the whole test series. Now what we have designed is, with every topic which is getting completed, we will be giving you some questions on that particular topic. You will be writing the answer, sending it to us, and we'll be giving you feedback on those answers. And these questions will be given to you topic wise. The questions will be given to you topic wise. Let's say we have done Woodrow Wilson. Once the topic is over, I'll give you some questions on Woodrow Wilson. You will write the answer, send it to us. Simon will give you some questions. You write it and then send it to us. We'll check it, give the feedback, and then you can improve upon those issues. Throwing the test series upon a student does not actually serve the real purpose of learning and improving. उससे improvement नहीं हो पाती. Feeling आती है कि test series कर ली है, मगर improvement नहीं हो पाती है. And at the end, we'll be giving you 2 complete test papers, one on paper 1 and one on paper 2. On how to ask the question. Now we have tried to make an interface where you can talk to us in the class also, and at a relevant gap, I'll allow you to speak up and ask your doubt. Once I've done with the topic, you can ask a question in the class itself. So you can ask me the questions on the topic in the ongoing class, and after the class is over, I will be available to answer your questions. So in case you have any doubt on any particular issue, while the class is going on, you can ask the question, and after the class also, through some medium, we'll be able to communicate. You have a doubt, I will be clarifying the doubt. I'll be clarifying the doubt. If you have a doubt, I'll be clarifying the doubt. इसके अलावा one thing which is very much required, particularly in the online mode, because this course is an online course. एक चीज है जो ऑनलाइन कोर्स में बहुत जरूरी होती है, वो है पर्सनल मेंटरिंग. Mentoring what it means? It means that I will be checking upon you regularly that are you able to grasp the things which we are discussing in the class or not, at least to 80 or 85% level. 80-85% अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है क्लास में जो कराया गया है, then I think this is the job well done. With some time, with some effort, you can improve upon the understanding. So I will be trying to have a personal mentoring with you. I will try to have personal mentoring with you periodically. Periodically means once a week or once every 10 days, I will be calling upon you and checking upon you whether actually you are able to get the concepts clear or not. In case you have any problem, we can have a discussion on that at that time. It will be after an appointment. Then the way we have planned is that we have ensured that for 5 months we are going to have this foundation classes. 4 days a week the classes will be, and then 3 hours every day, and then we are going to have a foundation understanding for 5 months. Now when I say foundation, it does not mean any way lesser than what is required. Foundation means that whatever is required for examination, that will be covered in these 5 months, and after that we will be dedicating 1 month upon the enrichment part. Enrichment can be, let's say we have done a thinker, and on that thinker itself there was a concept which was not to be understood at that time when we were doing the foundation classes, that we can take in the enrichment class, because that was requiring a understanding of other areas also. कुछ ऐसा था जो उस समय समझाया नहीं जा सकता था क्योंकि उसमें दूसरे एरियाज का कनेक्शन भी चाहिए था, वो हम लोग एनरिचमेंट के अंदर लेंगे. सो ऑल इन ऑल इट विल बी अ 6 months course, 5 months of foundation and then 1 month of enrichment. And as I said that the batch is going to start from 5th of August. If you are interested, you can join before 5th of August. If you want to join the course, join before 5th of August. The link has been given in the video. The phone number is also provided. In case you have a query, you call upon us and you just inquire, and then information will be given to you. Good luck to all of you. See you soon in the class. Thank you.